Hi, كيفكن? Ça va? Alright. I'm the type of guy that don't like to waste a lot of time, so let's jump into this video where I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to say hello in Lebanese Arabic. If you don't know what the Lebanese Arabic is a variety or something out of the spoken Arabic. Spoken Arabic basically are varieties of spoken Arabic dialects. Yes, we do have the original official Lebanese Arabic, Arabic language, but it is not the spoken Arabic. We have the MSA, which is the standard Arabic, and we have the spoken Arabic, which can be Lebanese, Syrian, Jordanian, Palestinian, you know the gist. And in this video, I'm going to be focusing on the Lebanese Arabic dialect. And today, we're going to learn on how to say, where is the, over here, how to say hello in Lebanese Arabic. Whoop. All right. Oh, sorry. Just because of how I cropped this. Nope. Let me fix it for you guys over here. Don't worry. I'm the king of solutions. And let's go. All right. How to say hello in Lebanese Arabic. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you 5 ways on how to do it. Well, at first, you should know that we Lebanese people, we are basically trilingual. That means we know how we speak Arabic, English, and French. This goes back because of the French occupation that we had in Lebanon, and basically we followed the same system where in our schools, all of us shall be either English educated or French educated. And basically, everyone can speak Arabic and English or Arabic and French. And most people who learn French know how to speak English because, well, it's an easy language, right? So, with that being said, the first word that I'm going to be teaching you guys on what we say in Lebanon is hi. Wow, very creative. I know. But bear with me here. Hi is also it's a typical word that also Lebanese people say. Now, the older generation, that means my parents' generation, probably don't say that as much as we do, the new generation. But the new generation really says hi a lot. Also on WhatsApp, if you call someone, we just say hi. So, which is a good thing for you because it's basically easy for you to remember because everyone knows how to say hi, right? And the second word, which is kind of the typical word that we use, is marhaba. Marhaba. You might know it from the Turkish word merhaba, which is basically the same word, but this is just a variety of it or variation of it. Marhaba. So this is the 7, and we call this ha. Like ha. And just in case you know the Arabic alphabet. I'm gonna be doing a video about the letters, and so don't worry about that. Marhaba. Some people might say also marhabtain. This is an R. Marhabtain. That means double marhaba. So 2 times marhaba. Just because we like to be generous. So either marhaba or marhabtain. And the typical reply is also marhaba. And also some people say marhaba, and the replier says marhabtain. So you say 1 hello, he says 2 hellos. Yeah, that's as the Lebanese people and their hospitality. Marhaba, marhabtain. We also say, also because we are bilingual, we say sometimes salut. Salut, which is hello in French. And some people also say comment ça va, which is like, how are you doing? Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci, et toi? And yeah, and then you get to know the whole family. So we have hi, we have marhaba marhabtain, and we have salut. You can also say, or like the typical Lebanese sentence that we have is hi كيفك ça va, right? You probably know it already because a lot of people say that. Hi كيفك ça va. The third word that we have, by the way, if you are interested in learning the Lebanese Arabic, you can see over here matartv.com/learn. Here I am offering a free webinar with A to Z system that I created for teaching people the Lebanese Arabic. If you are interested in learning the spoken Lebanese Arabic, make sure to head to that link and sign up for the webinar. And I'm gonna be teaching you guys from A to Z and how I did it, and to take advantage of the A to Z course with all its benefits, features, and the free weekly conversational sessions, because this is what you need, and this is what a lot of people don't offer online, which is the free weekly conversational sessions on the platform. So if you are interested, just go over there. The link is also going to be in the description, of course. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm happy to have you on board. Now back to the video for number 4 over here. Let's say we have hi, we have marhaba, we have salut. Some people also say, which is this is a little bit religious, right? But it doesn't have to be like just like really religious. But this is basically religious, where we say salam. Salam. Salam basically means peace. Salam, peace. Which you might know it from salam mu alaykum. Salamu alaykum. Salamu alaykum. Salamu alaykum means peace be upon you. Now, and salam means peace. Like, hey, peace. But it doesn't have the same meaning like it does in English, where you go like, hey, peace out. No. It's more kind of like peace, you know. It's so it's kind of like a little bit religious, a little bit, yeah, basically religious. Salam and salam alaikum, and you probably know the answer, which is wa alaikum assalam, right? So wa alaikum assalam, and peace be upon you too. Now, the fifth and the last one that we say also in Lebanon. No, you know what? I'm gonna throw in a bonus one. I'm gonna also say, which is also related to salut, is bonjour and bonsoir, right? So bonsoir, which is basically good morning in French, bonjour, and bonsoir, which is basically good evening in French. So we also say that in Lebanon, by the way. So in case you are Frenchy, don't be afraid to speak French in Lebanon. And we also say, which is basically a good morning, sabah. Yeah, I don't like the color. Let me go back over here. What to choose? I'm gonna choose this. All right. Sabah al-khair. Sabah al-khair, which is good morning. Sabah al-khair or Sabah al-nur. The typical reply is Sabah al-nur. Sabah al-nur means the morning light. And Sabah al-khair, a good morning, right? Sabah al-khair and Sabah al-nur. And Sabah al-nur is the answer for Sabah al-khair, right? And we also say, if it's a good evening, Masa al-khair. So it's the same thing, and Masa al-nur as a reply. Masa is at night, Sabah is in the morning, right? And this is basically it. We have hi, we have marhaba marhabtain, we have salut, which I also added over it, bonjour and bonsoir. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci, et toi? And all that chit chat. We have salam, salamu alaikum, and we have sabah al khair, sabah al nur, masa al khair, masa al nur. And by the way, we can also say sabahu. Sabah. You know, sabah. Yeah, sabah. Which is also means like good morning, kind of. Sabah. the one that I wanted to add is يعطيك العافية. يعطيك العافية. That means gives you health. يعطيك العافية gives you health. That means God gives you health. يعطيك العافية. The reply is Allah, God, Allah يعافيك. الله يعافيك. يعطيك العافية. الله يعافيك. يعطيك العافية. الله يعافيك. Basically, this was our lesson for today. Man, you now know how to say hello in Arabic in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, I taught you on how to say hello in Lebanese Arabic. Again, if you are interested in learning the Lebanese Arabic, right over there is the link. It's also going to be in the description down below. Just go over there, sign up for the webinar. It's free anyway. Sign up for the webinar and let me know what you think about it and also about the platform that you're going to be seeing at the end of the webinar. This was it for today. Please leave me a like. Oh, I also forgot to show you guys this one. I really like it. Do you like this? It's cool, right? It's cool. Leave a like, subscribe, and also please leave me in the comment section down below on what kind of videos you would like to see in the future, or would you like me to do over here, because basically we did an online school over here, as you can see, with the whiteboard and everything. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Again, please, if you like, please like, comment, and subscribe, and join the webinar if you would like to, and I will see you guys in the next time.